Welcome to this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Today we are flying a Delta A320-200 over to San Jose International Airport. Hope you enjoy this video.
Additional space on board. Everything we're doing is in service of your health and well-being, but we're asking for your help as well. Please be considerate of your fellow passengers by wearing your mask and allowing extra space when deplaning. For details about the Delta Care Standard, please visit delta.com.
As soon as you enter the plane, the flight attendants always pass out a Purell hand sanitizing wipe.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome aboard. As you get
The legroom is okay. I am 180 centimeters or 5'9". One of my favorite things about the Airbus A320 and Airbus planes in general are just the open, spacious environment and the lighting. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below on whether you have flown a Delta A220. Please don't forget to check out some of my other videos, and I really hope you enjoyed this one, and see you again soon. Bye-bye.